We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting, related and often unclear words in English as well, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So how do you say this? Well, there are two different ways of saying it, depending on what is the meaning and how you use this word. So if you're referring to the verb, which means to pull apart or to pull to pieces something, a piece of paper, for example, with force, this is going to be said tear, to tear a piece of paper, to tear it apart. Now, if you're referring to the noun, as in when you're crying, the drop of water, a tear is the noun, tear is the verb, tear or tear. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.